The 2025 Smart Gardener's Guide: 4 modern hacks for a thriving home garden and vegetable patch. If you think gardening is just about digging, watering, and waiting, 2025 is here to prove you wrong. Whether you're nurturing a balcony jungle or managing a small backyard vegetable plot, innovation has sprouted in every corner of the gardening world. From vertical grow systems to eco-smart composting, new trends are reshaping how we cultivate greenery in the most efficient and sustainable ways possible. And the best part? You don't need a shovel or green thumbs. Just enter biochar enhanced soil and hydrogel beads, 2 innovations that promise to change the way home growers manage water. Biochar, a porous carbon material derived from organic waste, improves water retention and nutrient delivery. Hydrogel beads, meanwhile, absorb water and release it slowly as roots demand it, drastically reducing the frequency of watering. Together, these materials can keep your garden thriving through hot, dry spells without constant maintenance. To use these, mix a moderate layer of biochar into your soil bed and add pre-soaked hydrogel beads around the root zones. Gardeners in drought-prone zones have already seen yield improvements of up to 30% with these enhancements. This water-smart foundation is crucial not only for reducing garden labor, but also for adapting your vegetable patch to the unpredictable rainfall patterns predicted for the coming years. Growing up is the new growing out. With urbanization limiting horizontal space, vertical gardening continues to dominate trends in 2025. Wall-mounted planters, pallet towers, and hydroponic grow walls now come in DIY-friendly kits and modular systems that fit on balconies, fences, and even kitchen walls. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, kale, and herbs such as basil and cilantro are perfect for this setup. Even root vegetables like radishes and baby carrots can thrive in tiered grow bags and vertical planters designed with depth in mind. The key to success here lies in sunlight access and irrigation. Use stackable systems with built-in drip irrigation. Most new kits come equipped with solar-powered pumps, making the whole system nearly maintenance-free. These setups also double as decorative green walls, improving your living space's aesthetics while maximizing productivity. With such high yield in a small footprint, vertical gardening transforms even the tiniest spaces into efficient, edible oases. Composting is no longer just a smelly pile in the corner of your yard. The 2025 composting trend is all about bokashi buckets and countertop fermentation kits that turn kitchen scraps into garden gold in record time. Bokashi, a Japanese method of composting, uses effective microorganisms, EM, to ferment organic waste anaerobically, meaning no oxygen, no smell, and no pests. Once fermented, the material can be buried in garden beds to complete decomposition in as little as 10 days. This process creates nutrient-dense compost that enriches your vegetable garden without industrial fertilizers. It's perfect for urban gardeners with limited outdoor space or for anyone looking to reduce their household waste footprint. And because the process is clean and odor-free, it's becoming a staple in apartment gardening kits worldwide. The microbial infusion also helps plants resist diseases naturally, an added bonus as more gardeners seek chemical-free cultivation. The final trend revolutionizing gardening in 2025 is companion planting with pollinator-friendly flowers. Instead of traditional rows, more gardeners are now blending vegetables with strategically selected flowers to attract bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects. Marigolds, nasturtiums, calendula, and borage not only bring beauty, but also deter pests and improve yields through natural pollination cycles. Integrating flowering strips among tomato, pepper, and squash rows creates an ecosystem that reduces the need for pesticides. It's a low-effort way to enhance biodiversity and protect your garden from pests while boosting crop output. This technique has been embraced by eco-conscious growers and small-scale urban farmers who want lush, productive gardens that also serve as pollinator habitats. With declining bee populations making headlines, companion planting also supports global sustainability efforts, making your garden a micro-reserve for essential insects. This colorful, layered approach to planting can be beautifully showcased on garden maps and plan charts, making it an ideal visual segment for educational or promotional materials.